Hi! In this screencast for power users, I'm going to show you how you can customize your Word export using the Futon backend. So here I am. I'm logged into the app as LingLama. I'm going to open his community corpus. This is what the data looks like inside the app. But if you want to do a custom export, you can. Let's go to my web page. And we're going to go into the actual corpus itself. So we're going to take just the corpus identifier, and we're going to go to the corpus server. Here we are in my database. Not very exciting. But if I want to have a graphical user interface, you can use the Futon. Okay, so now I can actually see my data. This is what the data looks like underneath the hood. And to access all the pre-built export options, they're in here. So let's take a look at the word list. Now the word list produces an alphabetical ordered list of words, as well as the words ordered, if you want, in suffix order, and the grammatical context where they were found. We don't include the ungrammatical utterances in these examples. You can choose to run the reduce on it, which will give you a count of how many words are present, and this is what's underneath the CSV export. So you can get your words in one column and your suffixes in a second column and count. So in this context, LingLama's corpus is Quechua, and we're not using uppercase, lowercase letters to distinguish phonemes. But if you were using uppercase and lowercase letters to distinguish phonemes, then you would not want to run lowercase on your data. So if you haven't done scripting before, then this will be a little bit difficult and you might not want to try to do it. But the idea is to look at this existing function here, which does the mapping to export the data, and then modify it to what you want to do. So in my context, imagine I just want to get a list of words, for example. Well, here, it's going to put out the words, and I want just the word like this. Let me see what that does. Perfect. Now I have just a list of words and the count. And I want to get it with case. So if I don't run two lowercase on it, that means I'll be able to get all of the uppercase letters. So in normal word lists, you wouldn't want to do this, but if you're using uppercase and lowercase letters to distinguish phonemes, then you would definitely want to run it like this. You can click save, or if you want to keep this custom search for later, I would do save as and put it into your own area. So custom word list, not lowercase. Perfect. So now I've saved my export, and I can consume this as JSON or as CSV. So to get it as its raw form without the user interface, it's like this. And to get it with the count, you would do oops. So here's my JSON output of my words ordered alphabetically with upper and lower case and the count. So again, in this video, we looked at how you can customize export. The current word list export is here. So if you just run this, you'll see that it exports the same information in JSON with case insensitive. And what I wanted to do was customize it so that it was not turning everything to lowercase. And so I modified it in the Futon user interface.